Hello everybody, this is an unboxing video of the K&F Concept microphone stand. I think it's the cheapest one you can buy off of AliExpress, and let's have a look at it. So it has this K&F carrying pouch with K&F Concept written on it with a zip. It has some silica gel pads, and that material might degrade with time. Let's have a look at the stand. So here is the instructional manual with a wrench. And now let's have a look at the tripod itself. It snaps into place. All the legs snap into place. They click. Also the leg extends. Pretty good reach at 1 meter 80 centimeters. The material doesn't feel that cheap. Here we have a ball head with a rotating panoramic view, so to say, to capture panoramic photos, 360 degrees rotating. So far I've been using it for a while, and although it kind of feels cheap, it doesn't feel like extra cheap that it's like garbage. It's alright. And that is a 1/4" screw and a level indicator on the left side there. So this is about it for this small review and unboxing video. I have this O-ring here, which I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, but yeah, this was the K&F Concept tripod, and in my opinion I think it's a great buy if you really want to buy something in a pinch and use it, and it's kind of a decent quality. So yeah, that was the review. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.